Morning, y'all. You know who it is, and guess where I am? Yeah, I'm back at Universal Orlando. I am just waiting for my good old friend John of Crazy About Disney to show up. He was a little late leaving the house, and I was a little late. So I thought, like, me and him would be able to time it perfectly so we could meet up at exactly the same time. But I got a call on the way over, read the voicemail, and he was running late. So now I'm just sitting here waiting for him to show up at the Hard Rock Cafe in these nice lounge chairs. I don't know if any of the other YouTubers have mentioned this out. There's lounge chairs out in the front here and over inside. So you can just relax, have a smoke, and enjoy yourself a little bit of a downtime before going to hit the rest of the parks if you're trying to take a little break. So, yep, just waiting for John of Crazy About Disney to show up, and then we'll go inside either one of the two parks. And I also have to show you what's going on in the Universal Studios side of things with the new Fast and Furious shop that opened up. So, yeah. Reverting back to my original sentence, so just wait for him to show up now. Guys, finally got in the park, and of course I'm with Crazy About Disney. And, there's going to be a little bit of an intro for his vlog, which, let's just say, he can have a career here as a scare actor at Halloween Horror Nights, that's for sure. So, yeah, just waiting for one of his other friends to finally get off of Rip Ride Rocket. I don't personally ride it due to other reasons, so I'll see you over after Mummy. Alright, the outside scrim for Fast and the Furious Supercharged looks like it's pretty much done. And, well, it's coming out this year, so they're probably just doing the final touches, and they already got the store, so we're going to go in there in a real quick sec. They got a new scrim up for Fast and the Furious. So, yeah, that's the facade for Fast and Furious Supercharged. Okay, here is what the entrance is going to look like from this angle, and I guess it's going to be a dual system where you have a wait time standby, and then here comes the balls and whatnot. But you're actually walking through the warehouse and not just like standing there like an idiot, but going through it like in a tram. But that's still open up out of the roof, so if it's raining, it's gonna suck for y'all, because you know how it rains in Florida. And I'm guessing that's where the main building is gonna be at for the actual ride and other things.
Front
so
nice.
Yeah.
With the start of the queue line right there.
Yeah. You notice the time clock right there on the wait time thing? I wonder if that's how they give it out to you.
Yeah, that's the entrance right there.
Okay, I see the Express. Sorry for zooming in, zooming out. But I guess there's two different lines, the Express and the regular, so who knows, it might be a combination type ride, but we'll just have to wait and see until it finally opens up. So let's actually get into the store now. Alright, y'all. This past week, they just knocked down the walls for the store for Fast and the Furious. So this might be the exit where you come out of, and wow, nostalgic feelings. Like, they haven't changed one bit with the flooring. They could just tore out the interior and replace it with walls and just a huge store. So let's actually take a look inside of this place.
I've already seen that car. I know. Me, or why do they not have drive? Yeah, I was. Yeah, I
think in active use as of right now, more like a proprietary type of thing deal.
Probably go the same way you did.
And inside the store is the 1970 Dodge Charger Hemi from Fast and Furious 7. Now, if you notice, this is not an actual movie prop. This is actually a reproduction of it because the original one, there was no passenger seat and the dials, if I can get it. I don't think I can, but dials in the driver's seat. I'll get over there real quick. All right, on the driver's side, there used to be dials right here, so this is actually a recreation of the Dodge Charger from the 7th movie. So this is probably one of the vehicles that will be here. I think there might be another one in the exit, but, well, who knows. So that is the Fast and Furious custom shop. Right when you exit out of those doors right there where that black curtain is, you come out in here. So, yep. That's the store for you all, so we'll go on from there.
Alright, y'all, just to break the tension a little bit, now we're over here at the Furious Supercharged play area, and basically just basic goofing off, so I'll talk with John about what his opinions on are for the custom shop for the Fast and Furious after we have a little fun in here. Well, that was just a fun-filled day at Universal Studios Florida with a special guest right here, Sly.
Sigh. Crazy about Disney, crazy day.
Yep, it was a really good day. All right, opinions on the custom shop.
I think it could be better. For reasons I like. It's
Gouging. Let's just make it simple. It's price
for
gouging.
a lot of it. It's like $40 to $70 to $100 just for like shirts and hoodies. I mean, it's like you could easily make it like and put the patches on it. So I mean, there's no room to like price gouge when, well, to be honest, because cast members, you don't get paid without us. We go to the park, we get you paid. So technically, I'm not saying this truthfully, but you work for us.
Well, really, in my honest opinion, that pricing, it's always been the theme park thing. It's for those people that come out of state or from outside of our country, so it's mostly for them.
To be truthfully honest, it is really ridiculous that, like, the cool stuff is, like, almost, well, actually the price of a Harry Potter robe.
Yeah.
And it doesn't need to be that high.
Just the simplest little things are the most expensive.
Oh, yeah.
Like, there was a bottle opener for like $12. That same bottle opener I could make just a simple tools and sell it for that same price, but they
it's always like, time worth or time versus just buying it.
Yeah.
So
yeah. So the new store, it's just like the same thing with the Fallon store.
It'll get better once it opens.
It's pretty small for what it has. Like, it basically takes up the entrance of Disaster and makes it the store. And then where that black curtain was, that's probably your exit right there. Mm-hmm. So yeah, my personal opinions, it's something new. Get something new at the park. So I have been the man in the Multiverse with my good old buddy.
Crazy about Disney.
With his good old friend.
Zach.
All right. So it's time to gear up for the next event.
And we'll see you on the front lines. Bye.